friends, I'm back again today at the Kellenly Public Library with another cool little experiment for you. We're going to do a screaming balloon today, and so I have a balloon here and I dropped a hex nut in it, and I'm just going to grab a hold of the balloon like so and kind of spin it around. Do you hear that screaming? Okay, so that is a centripetal force, and also you kind of get the science of motion and sound there, a little friction. So you just need a balloon, and I used a hex nut in there, but let's try maybe 3 hex nuts. How about 4? I've got a bunch here, so let's try 4 in this one and see if there's a difference. And you can alter your experiment to change the variables. Maybe try different items in your balloon, like a marble or a penny, or here's a tiny little dice. Anything that will fit through the neck of the balloon before you blow it up. Change the size of your balloon. Blow it up a little smaller or a little larger. Just make sure that it's not too big that it's going to pop. So now I've got 4 hex nuts. Let's see if it makes any difference. Oh, that does seem a little bit louder, doesn't it? Check it out. We'd love to see your postings on Facebook.